Hello, my name is Guy from Hong Kong. In representative of CarePeers, I would like to introduce in this video about this set of Walt Disney Winnie the Pooh play set, which include three different toys. It's a collection date back to 1998. Yeah, it's a long time ago, but yes, it's still a nice toys to play with. So let me begin. We have got the Winnie the Pooh right here, we have got Packer right here, and we have got Yellow right here. So we are going to take it out and see what's inside. So we have got to remove the protective cover here. Okay, here we go. And then the Packer, yes, it's here. And the last one is Yellow. Again, remove the protective cover here. So yeah, let me begin with the Hacker, and yeah, it has got a handle, wing up handle right here, and as we wing it up, you will hold up the telescope on his hand and moving up and down. And for the Winnie the Pooh and the Yellow, it has to be played together, and it's designed to put to sitting on the bed of the Yellow, and for the Yellow, it has got a handle right here. So we just swing up again. So here we go. When you swing up, this head will move up and down, and you'll move forward with the Winnie the Pooh. Let me show you again. Here we go again. Just to remind that when you wing it up, you have to put on the Winnie the Pooh in order for this to move smoothly. You work well when Winnie the Pooh is upon the bed of the Yellow. And for the Winnie the Pooh, ordinarily it has got a winner function, but unfortunately I've tested, but it doesn't function very well. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I have to regret to say that I cannot repair it at all. So yeah, that's about it. But still, it's a very fun set of toys to play with. For children and grandchildren, even for parents and grandparents to remind their happy childhood. So this is about it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me at the comment sections of this YouTube video. And also, please view this set of toys at my eBay channel called CarePeers. And you can go to my channels at the video details sections underneath. There's a direct link to my eBay channel, so you can view it, and if you like it, you can purchase it. So I hope you liked this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.